Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leah. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Tell us what's your wish.
To drive.
To drive.
Yes.
That's good. I'll give you a hug of Jesus.
Oh.
Wow.
May your wish come to pass.
Amen.